Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with Uber Visa, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy a credit card with Uber Visa, start by opening the Uber app on your device. Sign in to your Uber account if you haven't done so already. Tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Select Wallet from the menu options. In the Wallet section, look for the option that says Add Payment Method. Tap on Add Payment Method to proceed. Choose Credit Card from the list of payment options. Enter your credit card number in the designated field. Next, fill in the expiration date of your card. Then, input the security code, also known as the CVV. You will also need to enter your billing address associated with the credit card. After entering all the information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Save to add the credit card to your account. The app will notify you that the card has been successfully added. If needed, you can set this card as your default payment method. Simply tap on the card once it appears in your wallet section. Follow the prompts to set it as the primary payment option. Now, you're ready to use your Uber Visa credit card for rides and Uber Eats. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed your credit card with Uber Visa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.